Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this program, we demonstrate the find as algorithm. First, we import the pandas. Here we are importing the pandas library and create a dataset containing outlook, temperature, humidity, wind and play tennis attribute. Here outlook represent the weather condition which is sunny, overcast like that. And temperature indicates whether the day is hot or cold, and humidity shows temperature levels, and windy indicates whether the weather is windy. And here play tennis is the tight attribute containing yes or no values. Next we display the training dataset. Here with the help of this print statement we are display the dataset. After analyzing the positive example, we obtain the final hypothesis. This is our final hypothesis after analyzing. So in final hypothesis we obtain overcast, hot, high and question mark. Here question mark represent the windy attribute, can take any value. Now finally the hypothesis displayed as the learned concept from the training data. So now let's execute this one. So here we can clearly see that this is our final output where our training data is outlook, temperature, humidity, wind and playing tennis. And the final hypothesis is overcast, hot, high and this is question mark. I already explained you why question mark is here. So like that you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.